This is the 1968 Cadillac Calais with the final coat of high temperature and high gloss engine paint. I grinded down to bare steel all the exposed areas of the fender wells and front supports and everything. And I just finished the last coat today. It's been a lot of work, but I can't wait to show you the finished product. The engine's been painted already. Obviously you can't see it right now, but I'll show it to you when I get it all back together. And it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. I want to thank everybody for all the comments and all the support as I restore these old Cadillacs. But I'm always happy to save these old girls, because we all got to have something that we enjoy, and I really enjoy this. So, and they look so nice when they're all cleaned up and restored. So thank you for watching, and stay tuned because we're almost ready to show you the final product. Alright, bye for now.